For installation, please ensure that you have the following parts. Secure the four casters to the base plate using screws. Install 4 universal fixing columns. Fix the 13 trunking to the 9 fixed rod using screws and the 12 insulator. Install 14 copper bar onto 12 insulator according to the hole position. Then connect the inner column to the base plate with screws. Connect the 4 outer columns to the base plate with screws. Note, 2 different types of screws are required to connect the base plate. Install 18 hinge onto 8 cabinet pillar according to the hole positions, then secure it to the base. Note that 17 flathead screw should be used for the front door, otherwise the door will stick when opening and closing. Install the top cover. Secure the 4 top cover and 9 fixing rod. Determine the fixing holes for the first tray using the battery pack tray. Fix the 10 battery pack tray on the 9 fixed rod. Then you can place the Sever rack battery on the battery pack tray and secure it in place. After adding the first Sever rack battery, use the same method to secure the battery pack tray for the second Sever rack battery. insert the second sever rack battery and secure it in place. If you need to add more sever rack batteries later, please follow the same procedure. Next, insert the 4 cabinet doors using the connection method shown in the video, and the basic installation is complete. This section demonstrates how to safely connect sever rack batteries to cabinet using terminals and wires. Installation complete. Installation complete.